Hi everybody, this is Dana Boisseau, also known as Queen Hollywood South, coming to you today from the Urban Strategies, my school, TFH Academy, Television Film Hair Academy, but actually be here today just introducing high school students just to a little bit of the movie business. As we all know, I am a movie hairstylist, and I just want to show the students that there's so many things that you can do in New Orleans, actually, because as we all know, we are the #1 Hollywood South movie business here. So I really want them to get a bigger aspect of what we do on movie sets and what can we contribute and how much money you can make. A very lucrative career. It gives you a lot of things to look forward to, and I guess I'll be seeing you guys later. Thank you.
Thanks. And how can people get in contact with you?
You can go to my website, www.tfhacademy.com, and also you can also go to Facebook, Dana Boisseau, and then you can go to our email, tfhclasses@gmail.com. I'm sorry, it's so much.
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Okay.